Hello everyone, Simex here. Because we too are infected by the fever. You know, Alda fever. Especially my dad. He can listen to it right now. He's over there videoing the camera. I'm not doing this alone. We made this video just for fun. So please, Alda Church fan, don't hate. Enjoy watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See ya.
Itanong mo sa akin kung sinong aking mahal. Itanong mo sa akin, sagot ko'y di magtatagal. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal, ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Nais ko sana'y inyong malaman, sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, at kahit saan pa man, ang laging isisigaw. Ikaw ang aking mahal, ikaw ang aking mahal. Na